What if I told you the courtroom isn't about law, it's about language? And the one who defines the words defines the outcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to take back control of every legal and commercial interaction by lawfully defining the terms your way. You're about to tap into one of the most overlooked but most powerful principles in law and commerce. 1. The principle of definition control. In law, everything hinges on definitions. The Uniform Commercial Code, UCC, federal statutes, and even private contracts all begin by defining key terms. Whoever defines the terms sets the rules of the game. Footnote: most cases are lost not by law, but by failing to challenge or clarify assumed definitions. 2. Your legal right to define terms in contract. Under contract law, you are allowed to define any term in an agreement, even if that term already has a legal definition elsewhere. As long as your definition is clearly stated in the contract or notice, your meaning prevails in that agreement. This is because contracts operate above statutory definitions when both parties consent. Footnote: Article 1, Section 10 of the U.S. Constitution protects the right to contract, which overrides conflicting statutory obligations. 3. Where to insert your definitions. In any written document, affidavit, claim, notice, private agreement, or pleading, insert a definitions section up front. Label it Definitions and Terms of Art. Use this section to clearly define any term you're using in a way that supports your position. For example, firearm shall mean a military-grade, government-issued weapon system. Arm shall mean any instrument used in self-defense, including but not limited to a tool, device, or object. Person shall mean a living man or woman operating in their private capacity, not acting in commerce. Signature shall mean a living mark under full knowledge and intent, without adhesion or assumption of liability. Footnote: when you define terms in a document, those terms override any conflicting legal definitions, unless the other party formally objects.